How does martial law impact U.S. troops in South Korea?
Well, as I mentioned, Charlie, we're continuing to monitor. We're in touch with the ROK. Right now, there has been essentially no impact on U.S. forces. But again, we'll continue to monitor and we'll keep you updated.
Are they hunkering down? Has leave been canceled? I mean, if we've got Army vehicles on the streets, it's going to affect U.S. forces.
Yeah, so I'd refer you to U.S. Forces Korea for much more information. But my understanding is no, they're not. They've not been put under any type of curfew. But obviously, in any of these kinds of situations, you want to make sure that you're paying attention, that you're checking in with your unit, making sure that there's accountability. But I'm not aware at this point of any significant impact. But again, we'll continue to monitor.
Thank you. Can I ask you a question, too, about what's happening in Syria? You mentioned an A-10 was used in the previous strikes. There has been video of an A-10, apparently, reportedly from today. Can you agree with the video, or just that an A-10 was used in these strikes as well?
Yeah, so Charlie, I don't have anything on the latest strikes that I talked about in terms of the aircraft. I can look into that. But I think there's been a lot of misreporting out there in terms of, A-10s and what it was doing and what it wasn't doing. And as I highlighted on November 29, A-10 aircraft were used in this self-defense strike to take out a target, some individuals that were building a rocket rail to threaten MSS Euphrates. And so, those are the facts. Again, not related to what's going on in northwestern Syria. This was self-defense to protect our forces. Thanks. You go to.
Can I follow up the martial?
Only if you ask a question about Korea.
Yes, Korea and Ukraine. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol declared martial law to prevent the destruction of liberal democracy. Does the United States support the declaration of martial law in South Korea?
Well, again, we're going to continue to monitor the situation, Janie. Our commitment to the alliance and the defense of the Republic of Korea is ironclad. But again, we'll continue to monitor, keep you updated regarding any updates on our end. In the meantime, as it relates to any type of bilateral discussions in that regard, I'd refer you to State Department.